Today, I'm here to talk to you about a Vuelift home elevator. How does a Vuelift go up and down? Pretty important question. So the Vuelift home elevator, it is the original elevator technology. It is a winding drum technology. What does that mean? At the top of the shaft, you got gearbox, motor, couple drums, sets of cable that goes and grab the elevator cap, and that's how the elevator goes up and down, just winds the drum up. This technology is super reliable, it's old school, it's super smooth, and it allows you a pretty decent capacity. So the capacity of the Vuelift will be in between 500 pound and 950 pound of capacity, depending on the model, and the speed will be in between 30 to 40 feet per minute. So good speed, good weight capacity, and super interesting system that makes for a reliable elevator. And as well, it's an elevator that rides a little bit like a mineshaft elevator. So you can imagine you got the motor gearbox at the top and you're suspended with a couple cables and you're in between 4 posts of the Vuelift. And that's how you glide up and down. So it's got a bit of a mineshaft elevator feeling, but it's a very unique feeling of how the Vuelift elevator runs. And it's for sure going to become a bit of a talking point in your home.